Hello, and today we will be showing you how to make easy and healthy apple pie smoothies with Boomer Products, Gladiator, Barley, and Lignans. Fall is right around the corner, and this is the perfect seasonal smoothie to increase immunity and strength. Check out this video for what you will need and how to make this delicious yet nutritious drink. First, start by combining these ingredients in a blender jar. 1 cup of water, 2 squirts of orange flavored Stevia drops, 1 scoop of Lignans from Boomer Products, 1 scoop of Gladiator or Heirloom Barley from Boomer Products, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 large apple, peeled and sliced, and 1 cup of ice. Now the ice is optional, but I definitely recommend it for a frosty snack. Go ahead and mix all the ingredients until they're well blended. Then, grab a glass, pour, and enjoy. Now if you like this recipe and video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and definitely leave a comment with your thoughts. Keep your eyes out for more recipes from Boomer Products, and we'll see you next time.